Hi guys, so I'm just going to bring a little video to you today, which is a lot of the new systems these days, they tend to have an extra app on there. So it's all about keeping apps up to date which are not on the Play Store, and that generally tends to be this one's, which is the most important one. It may be labelled something else on yours. It's called Carlink 2.0 on this, but you might be on yours as a Tlink or Zlink. It's basically the CarPlay Android Auto app. So a lot of people in the past, they don't keep it up to date, and what tends to happen, the more you update the OS on your phone, the OS tends to be getting too advanced. So this then, with an older version, will start becoming unstable with newer versions of the OS, just simply because the newer OS has got like new patches on and stuff like that. So you'll tend to find that one day you mightn't be able to connect it and it'll work on an older version of the phone, but obviously not on a new version. So if you have any problems with the Tlink, Zlink, Carlink 2.0 and connection issues, and you've had the system for like more than 6 months, then it's always best to update this app. In the past, you had to contact us or your vendor and ask them for the latest version. But again, if you're trying to get them up from third-party websites like the forums and stuff like that, not all apps are compatible with the firmware of the system. So what a lot of factories are doing now, which is obviously this one has today, yours may not have it. If it hasn't got it, I'm sorry for bringing this video and for sort of getting your hopes up, but a lot of apps now come with an app store, not the Google Play Store, so don't confuse it with this one. So the app store, it may be labelled something else. I've seen it labelled as Do Fund Me on some systems we sell, but this one's called App Store today. So what it basically is the Chinese app store that the factories are starting to put on there, which allows you to keep things up to date. So if your Zlink, Carlink, Tlink becomes out of date, then it's more than likely, if you do have this app here, then you can update it through here. So as you can see, Carlink's there. There's a few other little options there you can see, but yeah, keeping your canvas up to date and all, it's a good one. So yeah, so updating the systems, Carlink, Tlink and stuff like that, let's have a little look on there. You can do it through this here, so that's a good feature. So make sure you've got an internet connection, either with a 4G SIM card if it's applicable with your unit, or alternatively connecting your Wi-Fi to the hub or your phone, and then you can use this app here. So if I was to update that there, so that's pretty much updating the app. So there's no need to contact your vendor no more, or ourselves, in terms of if your app's got the if your system's got the Do Fund Me app, or if it's got the a separate app store to the Play Store. So nice little trick for you. Hopefully, fingers crossed, you've got that sort of app on there. If you haven't, sometimes the factories can send it to you and install an app. It just depends how old your system is, and if that's not applicable, then obviously you do have to go to the older version of contacting your vendor for it. So yeah, good luck guys, and I'll bring you a few more videos soon on keeping your systems optimized, and enjoy life. Take care, bye bye.